Good morning, students. Today we will learn how we draw a histogram on a graph paper. Before we start it, let us see how many types of class interval it is. Then the first type of the class interval is exclusive form. What is exclusive form? The upper limit of a class interval coincides with the lower limit of the next class. It means they are continuous. See from the example. We will take here example 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, having frequency 10 to 20 is 3, 20 to 30 is 2, 30 to 40 is 4. Here we will see that the class interval of 10 to 20, the upper limit is 20, which go to the next class as a lower limit. So this type of the class interval is called exclusive form, where they are continuous. 10 to 20, again in the second class 20 to 30, in the third class 30 to 40, and so on. Understood? Now inclusive form, the upper limit of class interval does not coincide with lower limit of next class. See it from the example. We will take here class 6 to 12, frequency having 2, 13 to 90, frequency having 4, 20 to 26, it is 3. Here we will see the upper limit of the first class is 12, which is not the lower limit of the second class. So they are not continuous. So it is called inclusive form of the class interval. Understood? When they are not continuous, they are called inclusive form. When they are continuous, they are called exclusive form. Understood? Now, what is histogram? How we will draw the histogram? Let us see. So, histogram is graphical representation of a frequency distribution in the form of rectangle. That means we draw the histogram only when the class interval is given in exclusive form. That means they are in the continuous form. Understood? Now see the question, how you draw a histogram. Represent the following data by histogram. Marks it is given 10 to 25, 20 to 30, 10, 30 to 45, 40 to 50, 25, 50 to 60, 20, and 60 to 70, it is 50. It is given the information. How we will draw it on the graph paper. So here I show you the rough sketch of a graph and how we will represent it on a graph paper. See it. So suppose this is the model of a graph paper. How we will do it at graph? We will take the marks in x-axis and number of students, that is called frequency, on the y-axis. See, so here we will draw it x, o, y. Ox we will take the marks and oy we will take the number of students. Written. because it is not started with the 0. So here from 0 to 10 we will given a kink like this. Because it is not started with the 0, so here we give between 0 to 10 we give here a kink. See it here, here we will give a kink. Now we will try it between 10 to 10, between 10 to 20 we have only 5 students. We try it. It is 10 to 20 having 5 students, so here we will draw, fill it by up to 5 students. Now 20 to 30 it is 10, 30 to 40 it is 5, we will fill it. 30 to 40 it is 5, 40 to 50 it is 25. Now 50 to 60 it is 20, it is 50 to 60 it is 20. Now 60 to 70 it is 15. So 60 to 70 it is 15. So this is the histogram of the given information. Always remember that when we draw a histogram, it must be in the exclusive form of class interval, and if they are not started with 0, we will give the kink. We will give the kink like this. It is the kink if it is not started with 0. Understood? So this is the histogram. On the graph paper you will try it on the graph paper. Got it? Thank you.